Hey, what's going on, guys? This is iRedRedux and welcome back to another technology-esque video. Today, well, I have to go grab a giant file because I'm going to stuff it into Discord's ass. Let's see, what shall we try? Let's try a 3 gig file. Now this is an AV1 compressed video file from when my dad and I were filming Storm and Chocolate. Now what I'm going to do is copy this somewhere locally. Yummy Time. I'll copy it into the Yummy Time folder. It's copying over the network, so it's reasonably quick. Okay, Windows is having some issues. This is why I don't like doing anything over the network if I can avoid it. It tends to cause a lot of weird issues like this that just shouldn't exist. It's so screwed up. I don't know if you can see that, but the line is like missing. Okay, there you go. Okay, so now we have our 3 gigabyte video file. As you can see, it still plays. Yeah, maybe we should try this with a smaller file. Maybe with... yeah, a video of me and my girlfriend in high resolution. Yummy Time 2, let's paste that in here. Now let's go to 7-zip, let's do the same thing basically. 25 megabyte parts, everything else should be the same. Just do this, and it's a bit faster until it's not. And now that it's done, we have many 25 megabyte parts until the last one, which didn't have enough data to fill 25 megabytes, so it's a little bit less than that. But now I should be able to put these all into Discord. So let's try that. This is going to take a while. Oh, I can only upload 10 files at a time, so keep that in mind. Only upload the first 10. Then upload the last 2. My internet is dookie water, so this might take a while. When I say may take a while, I'm saying this is going to take forever. I host a web server, 2 Minecraft servers, and I'm uploading stuff to archive.org in the background on a completely different machine at the same time. Plus, this is a household with many other people within it, so my upload speed isn't particularly great, but it's still faster than a lot of other people's upload speeds. While we're waiting for this, I know that Discord, when you upload things to Discord, like files or images or videos or such, it gets stored in either Amazon AWS cloud services or Google's cloud services. And when you delete a file, the file that links to is actually deleted and it's no longer available on those servers. So that's good. Come on, you know you can do it. Sometimes I've actually had these things fail for whatever reason. It's not that our internet cuts out, it's just that Discord isn't really meant for this. So your mileage may vary with this part. And theoretically, you could do this with any file. I'm just using a video file compressed into an archive because, well, it's just the first thing I thought of, really. Okay, now that we have all the files, for some reason it's not listing them sequentially, but that's okay, because it doesn't actually matter. So now let's remove all of the originals. Let's just delete all of the archives in here, and let's download these one by one. There we go, that should be all of them downloaded. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste them into Yummy Time 2. Now we have all the same archive. Wait, where's 12? What the hell? Okay, for some reason that didn't cut, but whatever. Alright, put that in there. Now we have all the archives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just like we did before. Just right click on any of them, go to 7-zip and extract. Okay, so it looks like you can only open the first archive in this sequence. And that will extract and the video into a folder. And of course, this is that same video. And I think I shoot her right here. Yeah, alright. So, yes, you could do this with any file, it looks like. This is my first time actually doing this, so I've only really tested this file. But if your internet's upload speed isn't dog slow like mine is, this could be a decent-ish option for infinite cloud storage. I'm not sure if Discord would say the same thing because they're paying for this, and well, I'm not exactly paying for Discord. So if you started doing this seriously, then you might get banned. So yeah, take that with a grain of salt. And with that, well, that pretty much says all that I wanted to say. This is iRedRedux. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video, short or live stream, whatever that may be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. But theoretically, if your internet upload speed is fast enough to put up with the annoyance of uploading to a file's uploading to Discord every time you want to upload a file to your backup or storage place or whatever you're doing with this. But if your internet, yeah, take this with a grain of salt. You might get banned from Discord if you do this, like with any serious, like if you do this seriously.